Good morning, people, and welcome to Stinky's art class, where we have the best students in the world. Today's lesson is how to paint a cat. Okay, class, Stinky's just starting painting, so you're going to have to be patient with him, okay? So let's go ahead and let's start off with the cat. The cat's going to have two pointy ears. Okay, so let's get going on that. Okay, and the cat got his face. Okay, now you want to get lots of paint on your paintbrush. I guess I need to give you the tips. And then you got to draw these beady eyes. Okay, and then you got to draw the nose. And then the mouth. Okay, now Stinky ain't got a lot of colors, but he's doing his best. And this is a hunchback cat with a big tail. Okay, so we want to keep going. And we got to draw the cat's legs. Draw? This is painting. All right, we need to paint the cat's legs and their archy back. Okay, so that's the shape of our cat. Okay, now Stinky got another paintbrush. What color do we want this cat? How about I got green, I got brown, white, and gray. Let's put a little big green eyes on this cat. How about that? Okay. And this cat looks like it might be I put some gray on him. Okay. Put this gray cat, his tail, the legs. Looking pretty good. Let's get a little bit more gray. And oops. Got that leg. Looking pretty good. And let's get his face. Looking pretty good. Ooh. Okay, let's go ahead and we need to get some more black in there. Get those eyes black again. Get that nose. Uh-oh. Let's get that nose. Kind of wouldn't be a cat without some whiskers. Okay, and he's got some black spots or something right there. He's a tough old cat. And then let's go ahead and give the cat, oops, yep. He is eating his dinner, so he's got a fish bone. Okay. And then let's go ahead and give this cat them green eyes again. I discovered something with paint that you... There. Okay, not too bad. Okay, class, let's get a close-up of this cat's face. Okay, his body, his food, and that's it. That's how we paint. Hope you enjoyed the lesson today. I'm just testing something new out. It's always good to try new things. And hope you enjoyed the lesson today. Stay tuned for more epic lessons from Stinky's art class.